What's up, guys? My office is an absolute mess with a whole bunch of random ass toys and stuff like that. Me and the homie Zach hit a fat garage sale, aka a car boot sale. That's what they're called here in the UK, in England, and bought loads of stuff. Spent like 60 quid. I've added it all up. I'm probably gonna make about over 300 or something like that. So just a little fun, just going to actually, just make a couple flips basically. So that's why the office is ridiculously messy. But right here, you're about to watch me and Emerrias, a guest on the Make Money Making Videos podcast, the newest episode, and we're going to be talking about our first video editing software that we have been using and kind of how we transitioned into more professional software later on in our careers. Without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast.
Yeah. Dang, what was your first editing software?
Windows Live Movie Maker.
Hey, classic. Same.
Legendary,
do that,
bro. Windows Live Movie Maker was amazing, bro. I was 10 years old. My parents got me an Acer laptop. It was like this little Acer laptop. And, I had it. And I guess I was just going through it. And I found this program. I was like, boom, Windows Live Movie Maker. And I used to just edit anything. You know what I mean? Like, I listened to these random like, gaming raps on, like, Machinima, the YouTube channel Machinima back in the day when I was 10.
Machinima.
Exactly. I would make,
Red versus Blue, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I would make lyric videos for stuff. I would do all sorts of I would, do, like... I was into Call of Duty because I'm 10. I'm saying like the top reasons to prestige is just like different emblems and stuff on the screen that I found off Google Images. Just combining all sorts of random stuff. I mean, like we didn't even have internet. Like when I was 10 years old, internet wasn't as mandatory then. But also, we didn't have loads of money, so we didn't even have internet in the house. And I guess I knew about people making YouTube videos or whatever, and I would basically do like a YouTube video of my own, more or less, at 10 years old, where I would get these magazines called Game Informer. Do you remember Game Informer magazine?
Yeah.
Bro, I used to get the Game Informer magazine, and I would stand in front of the webcam of my Acer laptop and hold it up like, hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jack here. Boop, boop, boop. We got Halo 3 coming out next week. And I would flip through the pages and, like, point at the fucking shit coming out. At 10 years old, you know what I mean? We didn't even have internet. So I was making these YouTube videos then. But just, I didn't even know where to fucking, where to post or anything like that.
That's pretty wild. Dang.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal to think back.
I don't know if you remember, so I started with Windows Movie Maker, and then my parents bought me Pinnacle Studio.
Yeah, cool.
I don't know if you ever heard of that.
No,
that's
yeah.
Yeah. So it's back in school, back in like fourth grade, I was part of this like video production, like elementary school and news team or whatever,
Awesome, yeah.
So yeah, we were filming live stuff, and we were using like Pinnacle Studio, to do some live transition stuff like that.
Yep.
So it was stuck in my mind. I was like, hell yeah. So we got like Pinnacle Studio, and then I was using it for like a year, and then my laptop kind of crashed and everything. So I had to get a new laptop and everything, and I forgot about the program. Yeah. So I went back to using Windows Movie Maker, for years, and I remembered. I was like, oh snap. I got that old program,
You straight forgot about it fully.
I straight forgot about it. Yeah. So I went back, and I was like, oh snap. I don't think I couldn't find like the license key or anything. So I have to go on the Pirate Bay, our favorite friend, and then I was like, I already bought this program, so you
didn't feel as bad about pirating it.
Yeah. I was like, So I got it, and then until I was using Windows, I was using a Pinnacle Studio actually. It's just like really old, like really kind of ghetto program.
Yep.
That was like from 2012, like 2014 to 2016, 2017 time. So it's pretty recent actually.
So you were using it for like 3 years, 4 years or something like that.
Yeah, and that program actually had like ability to like burn to a cassette and stuff like that, like was built in.
Crazy.
Like,
so
and I was
stuff that just wouldn't appear in any modern editor because the technology is just gone now essentially.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And then